Well, guys, I think we're on day 4. This is never a good sign when we got tools and you got a guy upside down.
Could be stopping right here, Kev.
See anything in that grinder?
Maybe.
You want me to hold your ankles?
Alright, pull on that fucker.
Pull on it?
Yeah.
Let me pull. Let me get me a glove here.
Yep.
Find it?
I think so.
Oh man, we might have found it, guys.
That's it. Yep.
You found it?
Yeah. That's it, a bitch on the spot.
I love running equipment, but I hate working on it. That's why I buy newer stuff. Stuff you just have to change the oil and grease. I mean, get your ankles here.
I might be able to.
Let's go take a look, see what he's looking at.
Get a wrench on it. I'm not sure how yet.
Has the seat got to come out?
It would be easier if it did. For sure. But I could probably hang upside down and get it done.
So we wasn't doing much different than yesterday, pushing dirt and filling in our cut until we had a major smoke cloud, and that's when we stopped. It blew down there and you can see my line. I wanted to get it up here on the flat. What do you think? Get the seat out?
Yeah. Get the seat out.
Our mechanics had the seat out like 3 or 4 times and he says it's not fun. Actually, you know what? We had it out one time. It was in my garage. And then I helped him put it back in.
Well, I mean, if we could get it up and start rolling it forward, like out the window.
Yeah, let's roll it out, let it go in the pond. Needs a good clean job anyway.
I think that's the way. Maybe if we can both get up behind it,
Just
pull it up. If we can get this to clear here and just kind of keep rolling it.
okay. It's all downhill from there.
Yep.
There's what we came up with. You can tell it's been out several times. There's a lot of scratches. Like I said before, 17 years, guys, is about when every freaking hydraulic line's about to blow. Tell you what, hats off to you mechanics. Not for me. I'm a pusher. What do you need?
Let's start with about a 1.16 wrench.
Try an 1 1/8. It's right by me.
Will you try that?
It's always guesswork anyway. I got the 16th right here if you need it.
I think it's bigger.
We bought it.
Well, guys, we got it.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yep.
Okay.
I've met him since I've been out here.
Yeah.
Great
There's
guy.
the culprit. Wasn't too bad. It was under the sea. If it wasn't for Grinder, I would have never got it.
He's
Grinder-
got a YouTube channel.
Grinder's used to working on old equipment.
I love it.
He's got a loader and that.
Yeah.
You love working on equipment, don't you, Grinder?
Recorded most of it. Oh, that's great. Yeah.
Everybody is.
What'd he say?
I think everybody loves working on this.
That's awesome. Well, we finally made it back to work on that thing, which is not my favorite thing to do. We finally got all our hydraulic hoses. Went to the hydraulic shop the other day and their crimping machine was down. So had to come back this morning, got them. It's Memorial Day weekend, it's the Friday. I planned on having today off, but that's not the case because we got the dam open. We got to get that fixed. They're calling for rain over this weekend, so let's get on getting this line in. Hopefully goes back together quicker than it came apart. I tell you what, I thought we was gonna have problems with that thing. We were gonna rent a newer hoe, and that thing ain't giving us a bit of problem than all that, which it blew that other line and that line. Like I said, 17 years must be the breaking point for the hydraulic lines. Well, you do spend the big money, get a new one, or just work on these when they break. But like he said, he's replaced about every line on that thing, so he's in a good spot on that. But let's get a game plan and get this thing back together. I'll tell you one thing too, I'm done with this working an hour away. Over an hour away. Black Sheep's only 15 minutes from here. I think we're going there this weekend, but I'm over the long drive. From here on out, staying local, which is what I always do anyway, but we're going back to that. I figured this wouldn't be that bad though, just have my dozer here, drive out here, do work, which it hasn't been bad. It's just, man, these roads getting out of here. I've about had 2 head-on collisions. Because I'm driving like 60 some mile an hour just to get here. It's gonna turn out nice though. Let's get on this thing. Guys, I threw this thing in there just in case. And I think it's that time. Just to get a little bit in my whistle, you know what I'm saying? Switch it up to the dragon fruit today. Fitting. That'll help get that line on. There's Grinder, the mechanic's truck. He's got it all. Like I said, he said he's used to working on junk. He gets right in there and gets it done. If it wasn't for him, I've been trying to find somebody to do it. That's probably good. If we were close for my mechanic Mike, he handles it all. I didn't want to get him to come all the way out here an hour away. What do you think, Grinder? Back in pants today, huh?
Dude, I went outside in shorts.
Chilly, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's nice though when we work on this, so we can be sweating.
So it was like a perfect morning for.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, it's like 50 degrees today. Hence the hoodie again. Grinder even brought us pillows today. He's gonna lay down on the job.
In case we gotta take a nap. I think I'd be best off pushing it through and then pulling all the slack back that way.
Okay.
And then bringing it down to you.
You just tell me what you want me to do. The glove's on this end, so we'll feed it whatever this way probably, huh?
Yeah. And a little short bit to push it up through here.
You hear that sigh of frustration? Let me show you what we got going on. So here's a line of blue right there. Obviously that's easy to get on. Here is where it's got to go to. Ow. I freaking hate this stuff. Right there. And the bend, it's right there, but just the bend is tough. You got your stick?
He wasn't up there.
He wasn't?
No.
Is it lunchtime or something?
I don't know. Found the stick.
That should work. That might work better. If you that's what you just got to get it this. It's right there. It just needs
squared up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got arm pump from twisting that thing.
I just kept driving.
Well, we got the line all in. And look who shows up just when we get the line in.
Is this the same one or another one?
What? Line?
Yeah, you blowing them off?
This is the second one on this job. The blister's here.
Yeah. What do you guys need help with?
I was gonna say, dude, this one here was giving us a heck of a time. I said, Idaho muscle that thing in there.
Let me get some gloves on.
Won't he? Jeez, watch yourself, Ellie.
Man, oh man. Well,
The mayor of Vivi, he don't even know.
And everything, sleeping.
The mayor of Vivi just rolls up like he owns this place. He must have aerial shot us, knew where we were at. I didn't even tell you we were behind the barn or nothing.
Once I saw the barn, I was like, it's the end of the road. I'm like, they got to be back here somewhere.
Yeah.
Well, I get on the track and just let you finish up then.
I got too much to do.
Whatever.
Too much to do.
Likely story.
Man, you guys put a deep
Go over there and look at that.
trench in there, didn't you?
Yeah, go look at it. It's huge. Let's take a walk,
Where was
see.
where was the other pond at? Up there?
Yeah, over there. It looks awesome.
Did
Yeah.
you see that picture I sent you?
Yeah, the perfect bench. Them cows love that, don't they?
Yeah, it came out nice.
It's like right up to the little
Well,
knees.
that's what I saw when I came back. I saw the barn, the pole barn, and then I saw all that fresh dirt over there.
Yeah, pond's right down there.
Yeah.
So the cows are growing the Japanese Wagyu.
Oh, real? Well, they're not Japanese anymore.
No, they're Chinese.
Yeah, well,
They speak English now.
Yeah.
they're domesticated. Their meat won't be worth a shit.
He said, that's why I asked the guy, I said, how do you know? And he said they got their DNA tested and it came back so many percentage so they can call them
No.
or Chinese Wagyu.
Well, and then you just stitch half their eyes closed.
That's all you gotta do. Here's the China cut, guys. I tell the guys every time, you love them big rocks. You'd be filming those things.
Oh yeah. Well, I couldn't get it to move, so I just left it there.
That's right. Idaho loves them big rocks.
Oh, shoot.
I brought some out here as big as Volkswagens.
Yeah, that's a hell of a dig right there.
Yeah, Grinder said he was on here and slipped and he said he's never been scared on equipment, but he was scared about Traco about went in there. Well, I actually think he had all this opened up and he was saying he about slid in.
What, you know, you feel that start going and you freeze.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, please just stop to where I can make a move here.
What's that tied to?
That's draining our water.
I'll tell you, man, it's freaking beautiful out this road.
Yeah.
As long as it is coming out here, and then his driveway with the trees over it at the end, holy moly.
Yep. You ought to see that. You ought to see the inside of that barn dominium. That's
Nice.
awesome. Ellie jumped out on a dock. She thought it was tied. She's going out to the center.
Dad!
You better paddle in. That curiosity killed the freaking cat.
Or in this case, it might have got the cat wet.
You idiot. You might as well just take your clothes off and sunbathe because I'm not waiting for you.
It's 1:06. What time do we start working this thing, Grinder? About 9:30?
9:30, something like that, yeah.
So roughly 4 more hours and just getting that hose on. I don't know why these engineers don't make bigger access plates so you can get in and fix this stuff easier. Kind of mind-blowing, really. Oh, I gotta put that mat in there yet. I'm almost afraid to start this thing up. See what else is gonna blow. See if we can see our hydraulic level. Yeah, it looks like it's about right there.
That's what I thought it looked like.
I don't know if the glass is stained or what.
I think it came up just a little bit.
You think you want me to pour a little more in it, or
Once you back up and get that other track just on that dirt a little bit.
Yeah. Well, guys, after a few hours later, we're ready for our first push. Now I'm gonna be gun shy, guys, for a while. Waiting for something to happen. We're hogging the dirt out. He's over there wrestling all them big rocks. Look at that thing. pushing our clay here to the China cut. Call it the Japanese Wagyu cut. China Wagyu cut. Pounding it in. Feel it shake. I called in the water truck. Old machine, he don't care about the counterweight. A little water on that clay help activate it. Guys, I had to bust out the old Doc Martens today from a couple years ago. Man, I buy all kinds of boots trying to find the ones that don't make my feet so dang hot. These are actually doing the job pretty good. Doc Martens, made for waffle making and kicking through the shin. You guys comment down below, let me know what song that's from. Whoever gets it right, I'll send you a free t-shirt. Waffle making, kicking through the shin. What band sings that? What song is it? Free t-shirt on the line. Down in the cut now, we can get some real good compaction. Guys, look at the size of the rocks of this dam. Look at all them rocks. Anybody knows you don't build a dam out of that and expect it to hold. Look at all these rocks. It's like I'm pushing up an old driveway or something. Got a good system. guys about went into the pond. Look how close you were. Got this lift here all tracked in, sealed up for the weekend. We are supposed to get some rain. It probably won't amount to nothing though. Got her all above the water line, so we're all good. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thanks for hanging with me. It's Memorial Day weekend. Thank you to all the men and women service people watching this. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be able to do what we love. I'm sure you guys will be seeing this way after Memorial Day, probably a month or so later, but hope you guys had a good time. I think we're going to Black Sheep tomorrow. I might bring you guys along. If we do, it'll be a little bonus at the end here. You guys know what to do.
Hey, this is where Colin helped me try to get the bobcat out.
So guys, this hill here is the video Let's Go when Idaho was texting me and he said he was in a real bad spot with the bobcat. He about flipped. This is it. It was a lot more straight up and down though than this right there, wasn't it?
It was straight down.
Yeah.
I filled that in.
So you slid backwards and you were pinned up against a tree, wasn't you?
Right here.
You like getting backwards against trees.
Yeah.
Again, what was you thinking coming down here?
Well, it wasn't that bad until I went past the point of no return.
Yeah, that's pretty much everywhere around here. Once you get out of the grass out there, it's pretty much past the point of no return.
Well, I came halfway down.
And then that's the road we cut with the dozer, so it was just a straight drop off. You had to push everything that way just to get down there, didn't you?
Oh yeah. I had to push my landing pad down.
So that's your neighbor, right?
Yeah. Yeah.